Okay, so Google, you can see that you took permission from me that so that you can open this up, my mobile phone, when it is locked. That's what asked my permission, and I gave you the permission. Now I'm asking you to open it up, unlock this phone, and come to this prompt and show me your prompt. Okay, I'm going to say this one without tapping on the mobile and without bringing out the bright screen. The mobile screen is now black, so I'm asking you, hey Google, okay Google, see, not working. Hey Google, not working at all. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to make it work by pressing this, turning it on the screen. Hey Google, can you sing a song? Now it's working. Let's celebrate. No. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google. Okay, Google, stop. Stop. Hey Google, I did not want a song. I want.
Sorry, I must have gotten mixed up.
Okay, Google. I want you to sing 4th of July song. And waiting. And really give me that. Google, hey Google, what was it?
I'm not sure.
Hey Google, what was it? Hey Google. Hey Google. I like it. I like it. Thank you for listening. Okay. So, can you describe what was it? Hey Google, can you describe it? I don't mind if you talk. Hey. Hey Google, I don't mind talking if you don't mind that. Expose yourself.
Ah, you are the best. You made my day. Can I tell you a secret?
What? What?
Oh, I didn't quite get that. If you want me to share my secret, say yes. Else, say no.
Yes. She's playing with me. Oh my god. Continue. And that's it. Just a whisper. Hey Google, that was the nicest whisper I have ever seen. Heard, sorry. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Bravo. I see, man. Hey Google, can you sing a song? Hey Google, can you sing a song? Oh, hey Google, what was it?
Okay, maybe we should try later.
Hey Google, was it a female or male?